Alright, I came up with this method for drawing an F-14 Tomcat. So you start with a circle, and then you make a square under it. It's a little bit smaller, like that. I know, strange way to start a fighter jet, but believe it or not, you'll see it really come together. So then you draw this pencil shape on the top, and this is the halfway point right here. And the cockpit front is here. And it's divided into 3 sections. Okay. Alright, then we cut a sliver here and here. And you can, sliver comes all the way down, like that. There we go. And we cut little pieces off here, because the wing actually doesn't have this part. Let's erase some of these construction lines. This part comes down like this, and the wings come out from this spot right here, and cross over the square a little. Same on this side. And this middle gets erased in the bottom of the circle. This part has a stronger line, this is a fainter line. Stronger because there's a little bit of a gap. A little gap here, and a little indent here. And then we put in the engine throat bypass doors. The plane's technology is very high when it comes to the engines, such as this. Because this plane can go Mach 2. It's really fast. Now what you want to do is make a smaller oval in these circles, and I discovered it's a very fast way to make a decent looking engine. And then we've got the fins that go up almost the whole way here. These are the fins on top of the engines. You're looking down on them. And then we add the flaps here. And there's actually a gap right here between this fin and the wing. These wings actually can come out into a horizontal look, and then they sweep back to go up to Mach 2. And then there's this little piece here. And then we get the ridges. There's a ridge here, and here, and here, and here. Little line here. It's looking really good. Now let's do some quick afterburners. Like so. And this looks like a pretty decent F-14 Tomcat. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice week. Bye.